A few moments later. 1 second later. 2 seconds later. 3 seconds later. A few seconds later. Many seconds later. 1 minute later. 2 minutes later. 3 minutes later. A few minutes later. Many minutes later. 1 hour later. 2 hours later. 3 hours later. A few hours later. Many hours later. 1 day later. 2 days later. 3 days later. A few days later. Many days later. 1 week later. 2 weeks later. 3 weeks later. A few weeks later. Many weeks later. 1 month later. 2 months later. 3 months later. A few months later. Many months later. 1 year later. 2 years later. 3 years later. A few years later. Many years later. 1,000 years later.